Right, guys, we're back playing Watch Dogs again. I just made a account like yesterday. I could make a video because I was uploading one. That took ages. So yeah, and we'll have to, there's like something you have to do before you can just do stuff. Right. I don't think this will be able to upload the day it was made, so yeah. New game. Yes. Hope I don't die, because I don't exactly want to die. So, right, guys, anyway, yeah. Nearly finished loading, and there is like some rude gestures in this, but it sounds like fully down, so there won't be there is subtitles, so just like don't. If you're not allowed to, just don't watch it. I don't really mind. Here we go. San Francisco. Oh, I did this thing 3 times, I think, twice. Right. I know the controls, so that's... but I forgot what this does. I've only got one gun, okay. Right. I literally have done this so much times that I know it like off by heart what to do. It's like you kind of have to stay away from the guards, but like other than that, fine. Right. You can pause it if you want to see subtitles, but they don't matter too much. How's that not hitting him? Cause what can I just go like that? Right, here we go. Right, let me just hide. Right. Does he see me? Oh no, run. Cover. Oh no. Damn it. Can't get me. Damn it. Jesus. I never got killed in that last time, but no, I only think there's like 4 guards. Because there's one down the other way. I'm sorry, I'm just pressing buttons on the controller. Oh, jeez. Jesus, I don't talk much doing this. Right, how much is there left? Oh no, oh no, oh no. I think he's just about to come up. Oh, jeez. Pretty bad at this. But I've done it twice before, but like, still. Right guys, we're back. I cannot... Did that seagull die? Yes. Right. Okay, this is great. I don't talk much, do I? Oh, come on, jeez. Okay, yes. There is, like, no more guards. Sick. I know that thing is there, but you have to go on top. Jeez. Don't think much people actually play this game. It's just like, it's a good game though. Right here. There might be a bit of bad language here. Don't really need to say that though, do I? Yeah, so this is them. They're like tracking me. This is DedSec here. The gang. That's me they're on. Right. Right, I just melee these guys. Oh, yeah. Right, this is so like, I'm so used to this. Where's the other camera? Right, where's the... Yes. Nope. Wrong place. There's a bit with a computer, isn't there? Whatever. Ah. Oh, here. Yes. Nice. Now I can go through this door. This is the hardest bit, I'd say. Get so annoyed doing this because I just die so much. Other people might not be that. I just like... Here. Right. Right. There's a lot of people you have to kill during this. Come on. Can I just do this? There's someone like at it. No one. I think I've already killed them all. Right, here we go. Okay. Is there not a, oh yeah, there's a ladder bit here. Here we go. This is so easier, like. Okay. 12 minutes, jeez. Don't give. Are you going to down? Right. Wait, so I think when my, no, it wouldn't be that. Whenever my computer's on, they would see me, but I don't think it would be like that. Right, here I am. Jeez, pardon me. Right here, this is like nearly the last bit. Oh yeah, this bit, and right. Oh yeah, this bit. Right, and oh here. Oh me, yes. Jeez, that was quick. Let's go. Right, so the one's done this, but I have to clear my profile. Like, I do like hardly any of the hacking stuff. It's just like, you see it. Criminal record 11. Okay. So this is all the things I've done, I think. Lol. Jeez. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you